In this video, we want to review the auto accounting rules that have been generated by the rapid implementation spreadsheet. So from setup financials, let's go to customer billing, and we want to manage the auto accounting rules. So I'm going to select the link and select my Acme USA Business Unit 1, search, and we can see the auto accounting rules. So if you look at the values for receivable 13005, so all of these default values have come through from our spreadsheet. So let's have a look at the spreadsheet. So we can see the accounts receivable asset. So that's our accounts receivable account. So that's my core receivable there. I can change that value if I need to. And then my revenue 40110, which is my revenue. So that's my sales revenue. Let's pick that up using this. Again, you can always go back and change it if you need to. Got freight 52146. There we go. Freight charges. Invoice auto clearing. So that's my intercompany and my account, which is 42120, which is my auto invoice clearing account. Tax, same way, 21530. Go up. So that's my tax, liability tax payable. And then we got unbilled receivable and unbilled, so unearned revenue. So I have that as 13070, which is my unbilled receivable. And my unearned revenues is 21140, which is the deferred revenue, unearned revenue. So that's how the system have got all these values based upon the values that we've put into the spreadsheet. So you can always go in and change it if you want to change the way the rules are generated. So but that's the auto accounting rules. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.